My name is Devin Began, and my first part of the project is tracking the stock. I decided to do the open and the close and track both of them over the course of the past 2.5 months. So, because it was easier for me to see and to evaluate the stock off of both of them. On the daily stock, you can see how much it fluctuates over each day, and you can see that as it got to the beginning of October, it rose and then dropped. And then as it went through October, you could see how much it fluctuated, and then it dropped drastically towards the end of October. And then it continued to drop, and then went up a little bit, dropped again, up a little bit more, and then it stayed consistent over the beginning of November. In the weekly stock, you can actually see how consistent it was at the beginning of September and towards the end of September, and then it dropped towards the beginning of October, and then rose again, and then dropped. And then towards the beginning of November, you can see how consistent it stayed. On the monthly stock, you can see again that it stayed consistent and how much it stayed consistent, because the other ones were a short period of time, like weekly and daily, so it looked like it fluctuated a lot more. But as you look over the monthly stock, you can actually see how consistent it was, and then dropped, and then it ended up becoming consistent again towards the beginning of November and the middle of November.